This is a quick tutorial on how to get into orbit in Kerbal Space Program. This is the rocket we are going to use. First we will talk about how to get all the science and money needed to build it, and then how to orbit the planet. First, start a new game with the default settings. In Mission Control, select Gather Scientific Data and launch the first vessel. Next, go to the Vehicle Assembly Building and assemble the rocket as shown here. Make sure to stage it as shown in the lower right. Launch the rocket, and at the launch site, collect the GU report, the crew report, and the EVA report. During the EVA, take data and store the experiments in the command capsule. Next, press T to turn on the stabilizing system, Z for the throttle, and spacebar to take off. Collect more data while flying. Press spacebar to deploy the parachute, and when you land, collect all data, including an EVA report. Recover the vehicle by clicking on the upper center of the screen. Go to the Technology Center, and you should now have enough science to get Engineering 101, Basic Rocketry, and General Rocketry. Go back to Mission Control and sign up for Escape the Atmosphere and Orbit Kerban. Build a vehicle for the next mission. Press T, Z, and spacebar to launch this mission. When you reach 70 kilometers, you will have completed this mission. Collect more data in the upper atmosphere. Press spacebar to deploy the parachute, and when you land, collect all data, including an EVA report. You should now have enough science to get general rocketry, stability, and survivability. If you don't have enough science, run another mission to a different part of the planet to collect science. Next, we build our orbital rocket with the Terrier engine at the top because it's efficient in a vacuum, the swivel rocket below that because it provides maneuverability, and the solid booster below that to get us off the launch pad. You will need to update the launch pad to launch this heavier rocket. Click on the Maneuver Mode icon. Press the spacebar when the booster is empty. Start tapping the D key, keeping the level dot inside the prograde circle. Keep tapping the D key to get to the 45-degree altitude circle. Stop when your highest point of orbit gets to around 72 kilometers. Coast until you're within about 2 kilometers of your highest orbital point. Keep just below your highest orbital point until both the high and low points are above 70 kilometers. Press M to see your orbital view. Position the rocket to retrograde, Then turn on the engine to reach an altitude of about 30 kilometers where the atmosphere will slow you down. Press spacebar to detach the rocket. You can speed up the descent by clicking in the upper left-hand corner. Remember to deploy the parachute.